Good morning and welcome to Crown TV. This morning we look at what's trending on Twitter and what's happening on the front page of all our newspapers. Hashtag Celine Dion has been trending the whole morning after it was announced that the multi-award winning singer's husband died of cancer. On the cover of the Citizen newspaper this morning, in a headline titled "Gordon, No Reason to Panic," the finance minister has called for South Africans to remain calm while the rand plummets. He says that the country is not going through a recession, although economic growth is happening at a very slow pace. In the Star newspaper this morning, in a headline simply titled "Water," thousands of liters of water was delivered to drought-stricken Free State towns. People queued in the blistering hot sun to get their bottled water. 2015 was considered to be the driest year in South Africa. On the cover of the Business Day this morning, once again recession is a topic, in a headline titled "Recession Not on the Horizon" by Pravin Gordhan. He says Cabinet agrees on steps to put South Africa in a better fiscal path.